Hey, this is Jasmine from Wolfstorm. Today I'm going to introduce some off-road rescue accessory, tool strap kit. Tool strap is a long strand of fabric used for stack recovery or off-road touring of vehicles, and also can be used for winch extension. It is usually made of polyester and is often used in conjunction with a shackle. Wolfstorm have 4 types of tool strap kits for you to choose. Normal black shackle with 4" by 20 feet tool strap. Normal black shackle with 4" by 30 feet tool strap. Also, we have brand new 3/4" orange shackle with 4" by 20 feet tool strap and 3/4" orange shackle with 4" by 30 feet tool strap. All tool strap kits come with a black store bag. The tool strap consists of triple reinforced loop end, protective sleeve, PVC logo braidage, 100% polyester strong webbing, and vertical wrap type. The black protective sleeve is made of neoprene, not sewn on the strong wrapping, and can be removed flexibly. The orange design ensures a high degree of visibility in extreme weather. The D-wing shackle consists of a bowl-shaped shackle main part, a rubber isolator, a screw pin, and a protective washer. The shackle's shaft face is made of galvanized with powder coating to prevent rust and cushion. Tool strap with a safe load limit of 15,000 pounds and a minimum brake force of 41,800 pounds. Tool strap can be used for static recovery, touring, and winch extension. The way you attach the tool strap to your vehicle may vary, but most are attached to the recovery point by means of a shackle. The shackle can be used when the front and rear bumpers are attached to the trailer hitch. Can be used with the bumper farmer's top for recovery. Can be used as a power point for tree saver and snatch. And can be attached to the trailer as a touring point for the vehicle. If the tool strap is long enough when recovering the vehicle, you can add a tool strap and extend it by connecting the device or binding it with a knot. The first method is to connect with shackle. The second method is to connect with a shaft shackle. The third is the simple knot method by passing a second tool strap through the loop end and pulling it tight. You can easily double the length of the tool strap. The last is the strong and safe knot method, placing a salt, such as tool, clothes, cardboard, in the middle of the eye of the knot to make it completely lock and help you to open the knot easily later. Tool strap is made of polyester. No elasticity, will not stretch. After use, please rinse well with water, air dry, and put it in the store bag. Before recovering off-road, make sure you have the screw pin locked in place. And during recovery, make sure the tool strap, shackle, winch are all within the limit of the working load you will be using. Using damper to prevent problems. You should also avoid quick start while touring. Sudden tensioning may cause the tool strap to the pull of the occasion injury to the vehicle or even the driver. Do not use the tool strap to pull an unmanned vehicle or to a vehicle on the highway to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Here's today's video. Thanks for watching. If you want more products like this, please check out our online store. Thank you.